Previously on Live Like Pete. Saturday morning. Well, it's probably like noon. No, I think it's like 10:45. Here comes the weather. It's supposed to rain about 12:45 or 1 o'clock, they say. Gotta get the cars covered. Man, it's like a freaking sail. Yeah, some tie downs on there. Yeah, there's my solution. Just got the car under the awning. Easy way to do it. We're hanging out under the awning with our little propane fire pit. Yeah, so this looks like what today is gonna be. Dunes are soaked now. So, it's time to drink and sit in the motorhome. Alright, good morning. Sunday morning. Still looks a little funky weather, but there's the sun trying to poke through. We already had a couple people pull out of camp, so there's 3 of us left. Alright, we're gonna do a little welding on my car because I had this crack where the steering box meets the frame, and I threw some booger welds on it at home, but they just weren't good enough, so I just kind of left it. But I think the wet sand has helped it pull apart, so see if Chad can help me out here and put a good weld on it. We only got one more ride left, so. Right there. No bueno. Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Yep. I'll
And
clean
put
it
a
up
lot
as
of-
best as I can when I get home, and then like I said, I'll just keep an eye on it for the next couple trips.
Put a lot of wire in there and kind of try to disperse it out a little bit.
Car weighs 20 pounds more now.
Yeah.
Alright, car is all welded up. We're gonna go for a cruise. Sunday cruise. Dunes are wet as hell, but that's not gonna stop us. good chill cruise. Look what the freaking wind and rain did to this dune. Excuse me. Yeah, look at that. Fucking nuts. Let's go over here and check out these lines. Look at the way the wind's blowing the sand. Crazy. Pretty cool. Still a decent amount here. I mean, not a ton, but we're still camping, hanging out. There's a lot of people over there. Some over at Comp. These guys back here. Dunes are super tracked out. Very hard sand. Was that a good run?
Oh, it was the best one of the weekend.
Yeah, it was a
By
good chill run.
Absolutely.
We kind of went all over the place, all the way from south to north. Zigzagged a bunch in between. Stopped at Sunset Hill. Yeah, sand was like concrete. Can't get sliding too much. Can't give it too much throttle, otherwise you'll snap an axle or a trans. But yeah, it was fun. Nice chill day. Just me, Ben, and Chad, and Anna, of course. But yeah, I think we'll wrap this video up here. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you later. The Ghost River is raging. Flowing nice and good.